Rosealee granny have AIDS and in the house lay down a sea view. Rosealee granny take retroviral. That's the AIDS pill Rosealee know. It's not like Rosealee granny have AIDS. Laverne would have AIDS too. And Rosealee have diabetes. So pure sick people in the family. That's why Jakes could have him with all of them. So we not too trust Jakes because we don't know if him go to the granny. Can remember walk and lick down them like a bowling alley. Yeah. You could have stink and bright. Rosealee family full of AIDS. HIV and AIDS. Rosealee granny lay down in the house with HIV. And she busy. Then you never hear say them have it for say Akeam have AIDS. You never hear them say Akeam have AIDS. You never hear the internet did attack say Akeam have AIDS. Eh? You ask me how me know that. Ask Seaview. Just ask Seaview. All Jakes come up and talk say Rosealee diabetic, she sick and inside her rotten. Me I wonder if the granny tag her. You know, you must say I hear me here. Me not for put in allegedly. Me say me hear them say. Word on the curb. Me not for put in allegedly. That is alleged. You never hear. Exactly. Rosealee come up and say me fly come out and tell me leave Jamaica me come buy AIDS pill, right? Fine. Why she know the AIDS pill name and me no know the AIDS pill name and me supposed to take them? Work it out. A Rosealee granny lay down a CV with AIDS. HIV-NIV-RIT. Jakes, her baby father over 12 years of slavery, come out and talk say in her rotten. It can't get no better. The internet did have it say Akeam have AIDS. I never me say that the internet come out and say Akeam have AIDS. I say that's why no one grind Rosealee. So when you now come up with retroviral and support stacking, support your mama. Mama support every skull way in your mother like true religion and a daddy. She have the whole of the alphabet, Uncle Festus and Aunt Ada. Can we have reason? And we can reason it's the season. So when I come about, make it good, because you don't know me no tobacco. You're bright here. Me don't know you talk about my love ask Rosealee. Rosealee make the whole internet know say retroviral and AIDS pill. Me never know that. Now kill me across people. Me never call out the AIDS medication yet. So only people who are friendly with AIDS would have know about the medication. No, but it's not like Rosealee granny they warm, lay down with the big A, the capital, the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, she have the L, and a P. So come now. Can we have reason? Them say Akeam have AIDS. Them AIDS. I never me say up on the internet, me hear it. Rosealee granny have L, and a P, and them say Akeam have L, and a P too. So I don't know if Rosealee have Q, R, S, and her sister have T, U, V, Shanta have W, S, and Baba have Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. This is what Laverne telling them. Why don't you all come and sing with me? Don't come by me. What you mean say God no? God see if you go ask anybody if Rosealee granny have AIDS. The lady not have no kidney, no liver, no tribe. She not have no light. Yeah. The only thing she must have now one little piece of art. Everything in her she piss out and shit out. Come now man. And Rosealee diabetic. Diabetic, so no see Rosealee I get slimmer, the sugar take her. It a turn stone. You not come by me. You not don't come by me because someone will be upset. Don't come about me. Cause Akeam and Rosealee ill. Yeah. Them ill. Them ill. So if you don't really love Rosealee, now come about me. Cause you know me I go up underneath her pumpkin skirt. Me know say Jake should have strength for, but I true Jake's not want to tell the truth. It's not lie. Slutty angle that. Donny Akeam. Akeam, move your nastiness and go. Move your favor rat, your foot them favor duck. Yeah, move. You brighty, you wanna come eat up my paradise curl with down here, so. Bright. Rosealee family them sick. A disease them are germs. All of them sick. From the granny to the mommy to the daughter to the grandchildren. Marvin, for be careful how you're going to lammy. You just might come out with extras. Who knows? Because them have things that give away. Remember Rosealee family, them a carrier. Don't come about me. I'm in a partial. Do not come about me. Una mad in a Rosealee family have HIV, AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, herpes, and them spell STD. Sexual transmitted disease. So why you went to America then? Well, not blood the people them so quick. And we can't have a conversation. Come here, not even know how to answer the question there. Them say why you come to America?
Just sell crap.
I show you pack up. This is the reason why I come to America. To support my friend.
Your body is tea.
She just graduated from the army. You never see. Ask Rosealee. Enough time Rosealee saying go buy 8 pills for your granny and sleeping. No, but don't let me tell me, Charlene. Do this and beat me without vitamins. Do this, tell Rosealee and her granny and her mommy and Akeam to do this and beat me without vitamins. No, not tell you true. Tell them to do this without vitamins and beat me. Rosealee is sad like when your belly hurt you have diarrhea.
No.
It's true. I'm gonna take up my cousin Mary tomorrow, right? It's true. Later, my baby. Nah, ask you. When you can't come about me, when you know me from nowhere, Rosealee make sure stated that she has never seen me before. Rosealee make sure stated that she don't know me. Ask my happy kind of people them. That's what she said out of her mouth. So how she come with all of them story? Move on and ask her, tell her if I go scrape up her granny off the ground. Her granny leave fragments.
Her granny did?
But she still leave fragments. Tell her if I do that.
I want you to make ice reach out 6 and she not have a real job.
What do you mean Ivan to make her ice reach 6 and she not have a real job? Ivan is sell crutches. Her job real as it can get. Rosealee, because Ivan about Gilda and her roach egg the pan Rosealee Gilda, she still a use it. I feel so Rosealee go breed for roach, you know. I wonder if this is Men in Black. Just asking, is this Men in Black?
Yeah. She just put on her glasses over.
God know over the kids them in them band. Oh, just put on her glasses. Come here, little roach. Come here, medium roach. Oh, a big roach.
I felt something in that spray.
Yeah. And rat shit. No, she don't know rat poison. She don't know for massage her dildo with rat poison. So she can't get up all of the rat shit and the roach shit. And the roach egg. Nasty people wanna be. That's why Akeam source you up, because guess what? Akeam nasty too. Remember Akeam never live nowhere? And you teach Akeam about bedroom set. And no one come about me. Akeam have a mother will live a foreign and she never buy one set yet. Not even one sectional. Very diabolical. And you want to come about. Move on the sick my stomach. Wanna make me have to live pan Tums. Wanna sick my stomach, Tums and Alka-Seltzer. Nah ask no. The Akeam can kiss her cause remember a man Akeam though. Wanna remember one crew when they get boss out. I'll cut them kiss for money. You never remember one crew? What them name?
Come from so.
Yeah, one batty crew, man. For tall buckle. When you remember the tall buckle crew, them boy a kiss all cut for money. Me not ask you. Them boy a kiss all cut. Though we didn't see tall buckle them a kiss cut. Them boy a kiss all cut for money. Me no know what do you know. I eat seasoned salt, I wanna cook with it. Huh? When I eat seasoned salt, I wanna cook with it. I'll cut them kiss for cash. Then what Akeam wouldn't do, him can kiss Rosealee. Remember Batty they wanna same the goat? Eh? Remember film back shot them come with a stench. Don't come over my program, Rosealee a dog shit. Don't come over my program, Rosealee is a big lump of cow doodle. She a cow down. No, don't come for my program with them something, yeah. Yeah, that one for look pan. That's why we couldn't go easy pan Jabas and Jadaen this morning. Because if Jabas and Jadaen are brother and we hear say Akeam want the Jadaen things over and over, why the two of them come up on the live and defend Akeam? And that a puzzle me. Me say Jadaen, me can't wait for you make yourself available for Akeam get you. Me can't wait. Oh, me cannot wait. You're not too evil. And I just that me I say, you're not too evil. Of course, them sell them soul. Remember Akeam carry Rosealee got Obia man now. That's why them live a river, she nearly wash away. Yeah. Then you never see say Rosealee drop off a chair.
Yeah.
Me love. Trying to go in my underwear bag, them, you know. Oh, they're supposed to do this, so. Yeah. Nah, no combo me. Don't combo me, cause me wrapping up for free. Remember me, remember when Santa Claus and me wrap gifts to children.
We're almost at that time.
Right, I will start from summer. Them always want to start a problem. Go lift up Rosealee, AIDS the granny half for the ground and save you. Go and lift her up. Yeah, come about me. I what do you know? Bright now come about me, can me fix on for free because the whole of hypocrite and thief and Obia walk up on the app. Everyone on Obia walk up. Everyone on so young. Only in the 20s and a buy up. All I own with the on the internet in the 20s and a buy up. Yeah man. Me don't know how much spirit Emmy come from Africa with, you know. Oh, but it now work at Jamaica. Cause we have our own.
And you were sharing what we have somewhere strong.
Yeah. So now come about me. We're not too evil. And then Akeam him come up and talk about, you know when you're young, when you did young, you did in a bottom. Ask anybody. When you did young, you did in a bottom. So oh you're young and make a mistake. You never chat Rosealee with a boy yet for him come out and talk. You chat her with a girl. Come here now. Cause you know your woman made tell you one time say, oh Akeam and figure it out. Greet them one and there is Wagwan girl. How you doing girl? You know. Jesus me just take something. Lord me I hurt. Oh no. Una don't know though. Alright. Who believe me upon this? I mean I want nobody pick up for me. Just be honest and tell me say, me not believe Shebada say them go on like girl when them round them one another. Just tell me the truth. Just tell me say you don't believe me. Who don't believe me? God, everybody say I believe. That means I'm not losing up. Not even going to get to explain what I want to say to them. I'm telling you guys something. Then greet them one another like ladies. That is why it is easy for figure it out to do the dirty wine. Which man you see at the dirty wine? Even not even see on the pan. You know, I do all of them style. Him the pan. Him not conscious. How I'm used to. You never know. Them greet them one and they like batty people. What do you mean when I talk about Marmar? Pick up.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
Marmar, come in, man.
Yeah, pick up. It's true. Boss lady, you think I lie me I tell me can't bother argue with you. Boss lady, stop the laughing and I lie me I tell. Bestie greetings. Go on, man. No, it's true. What I go and get, I say, I take something tonight and it hurts. I take something last night and it hurt me. You never know. Me can't tell you the truth. Jadaen never broke Akeam and figure it out in a sister girl. Jadaen knew. N-E-U. Knew. N-U-E and knew. Well, I'm gonna change it around for me if I know so. N-U-E. N-E. N-U-E knew. You think so for true, auntie? I not think me think. I know me know. I don't think about these things. I know them.
Some of them females that talk like they've never been around a bunch of men before and see what they want. And I'll lick off of them one and then.
Yeah. I'm not asking you. Tell me I tell you no. I'm not make me go down in depth. So somebody here, it's school aid. Remember we know Batty code. And that me notice with enough of them. Them can look at me and say, Shebada Batty boy, you know, but you can't look at that. Please. Don't come about me. When you touch Rosealee, Rosealee come suck me with 2 straws. Slutty done the bitch. Slutty done around Akeam is a Batty boy. Akeam walk and chat in purse with Slutty. None of them now hold him accountable. And the reason why Jabas and figure it out couldn't tell him the truth. Like, me not say that my baby couldn't tell him the truth because the two of them are the same thing like Akeam. Me not ask you. Wagwan, ninja. Yeah. Them are the same thing. Birds of a feather when them do fly together in a park. What you call it? Me don't know what you call bird, you know. A flock of bird. A herd of bird. A fleet of bird. Me don't know what you call it, you know. Yeah, a group of flock. Lord, me near. Yeah. Me just say put it a group. You don't think a choir. No, it's true. Them flop together. No ninja is true me attack. Auntie full of close it down, you know.
You know what? You can't see.
Hey, you make me laugh, you know. Where not going? Acquire a bird, thank you. They must sing ooh ah ahs. Me now wear the slippers.
Put it up?
Yeah, me now wear the slippers. Why my friend will miss you? This way are you teaching me, sir? No, you know, are you teaching me to pack my suitcase? No, honestly to God, are you teaching without teaching, you know?
Yeah.
Can I see how your suitcase neat? That's what I did tell all of them for me.
Oh.
Yeah? And you teach me how to do my suitcase. Me now ask you. Girl, me used to pack my suitcase and when we reach England at 3 brief, you know? Can I swear to my pack and down? It's a school for fish. Yeah, it's a school of fish. A school you call fish, though. Yeah, it's a school of fish.
A person that know them English language, man, backside.
Keep more white tees. LOL, you close them. No. Yeah, it's true. Don't come by me. That's why I said these people are wicked for cash. Jabas, let me tell you the reason why I come out upon you because I think I owe you that. Let me tell you the reason why I come out upon you. You see, what you did was very hypocritical. You might not see it or want to accept it, but Jabas, let me say this to you. What you did to Slutty, you were very hypocritical. I mean, I say Jadaen is a bitch. Jadaen is a bitch. Honestly to God, and it's not working for him now. Jadaen prank and all of them something ain't working for him. It a run out. Jadaen battery are dead. Jadaen need to be progressive now. Like when have the remaining audience, he needs to be progressive now. He needs to let people see him in a different light. Because guess what? You can't do the same thing for several years. People are going to get bored and see the truth in it. Honestly. And I'm not belittling Jadaen. I'm not bash Jadaen. And if no one say me I bash him, because sometimes I can't, but Jadaen needs to drop Jabba's company, to drop TJ's company, drop everybody company and stay by yourself. You're going down, my brother. You not hear me. You go down. No form of witchcraft can keep you up. You're going down, my brother. And at that, me I try to tell you. This when you have to watch people life, you see them support and get upset. At that, me I tell you. Me not ask you, my brother, you go down, Jadaen. And at that hurt me, ask my moderator them when me tell them, say, for sure, you see you don't know for sustain. Nice, when you have a friend you can just say, let me grab you this, let me grab it. I tell them this every day. I tell you this every day. That's why when I talk, they don't like it, but I only can speak my truth. Only can stay there, report the live. I only can speak my truth. I'm sorry, Miss Sharon Bless to say with that F1 them on my team. Yeah. Auntie, which party the Island girl is not like you come look for me. May I tell you which part me done it stress you? Missouri. Yeah. Thank you very much for F1 rated. May I look at me now see. It's Renee Shibi. Which Renee, my baby? Yeah. When I'm bright here. But yeah, combo. Now back to the matter. And Jabas, me not gonna tell no lie. You might have said you're not pre-Jadaen. Jabas, me know you're pre-Jadaen. You're close to me, I lie. Jabas, you're pre-Jadaen because you can't hear say Jadaen sing and chat with Shay. And you not think say X, Y, and Z. Jabas, let me tell you the truth about you. You forgive people who you can write on them back. That is why you easily forgive Rosealee. Them in St. Louis.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, this one. Them live there or them out?
Look at them live there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's true. So you can't say Shebada, me not pre-Jadaen. Jabas, me never ever in a life I gonna believe that. Never ever. Look pan TJ. TJ itch up on Jadaen like crazy. I know say Jadaen love Batman. I lie? Don't TJ itch up on Jadaen like crazy. Don't Jadaen's tired for add Batman pan TJ live. So why should this simple thing get you upset with Jadaen? You talk about you unfollow him. Move. You're a shine stealer. You want to steal Jadaen, the big jelly shine will leave. Move. You're frozen and smell like under dog. Some things with Jadaen do you. Yeah, come at a true Jadaen not smart. True Jadaen have no birth paper, no mother, no father. He might run up and down in a no. But him soaring him uncle. Oh. Tell Jadaen, you're stronger by yourself. You don't need to click your life because Jadaen, you're not creative. All you do is exploit people. Let me tell you something, Jadaen, you can't hold your life by yourself. You cannot. You have to incriminate others, right? You have to get somebody on your program to be relevant.
And you can't keep the crowd.
No, you can't. When I sing and talk to him audience about, and at that much I say, stay by yourself, but you can't do it. You cannot. You cannot. The internet is such a wicked place where you hear somebody diss up them person and come back and talk about, you know me young, you're not young, you're never young, for tell slutty or Rosealee is not a good mother, and if she not realize, say when Rosealee go like she mad over you, she get more money from the app. As Rosealee are the only one who can feel like say you're somebody. Akeam, you couldn't look me. Me not tell no lie. Akeam, if you ever look me, I'ma punch you up. Akeam, let me tell you the truth. Is if you ever approach me, I broke out your veneers them. You could have never looked me. You now figure it out, cause figure it out look cheesy and the filter. That's why them must say more beard and the mouth stink. You couldn't look me. You're mad? Me da punch you up. Me not take man saying, Akeam, if you ever see me, I'll stop on your bike. Me kick you off of your bike. Me not ask you. Look me. You couldn't look me. Number one, you're a lady. You're Ladi. Lady. Rosealee, I'm more man than you. Like how nurse, I'm more man than me.
Huh?
Yeah, you are. Honestly.
Huh?
One thing though, you know, lose your cleanliness in a girl. One thing you know, lose it. You depressed.
No, I'm more best. I'm more wicked. What do you think? Me there, I place.
Me know.
I'm more wicked, yeah.
Yeah, it's true. When you not come about me, cause me not tell no lie pound no. Akeam never apologized. I want to find it to be apology. Akeam apologized to his gifters. He never apologized to nobody. So me don't know who to get apology from. All I need to tell, yeah, use the girl, but you know me young, and you have your intention. You can't young. Like how you realize that you use Rosealee now, let her go. Like how you realize that you make a mistake, let her go now. Give her back to her children.